Ang smooth ng makina, guys. So, hindi pa masyado nag-iinit yan, pero I could say talagang iba talaga if your engine is using a premium oil. Iba yung takbo. Suabe. Big shoutout nga pala sa aking idol mentor, si Ma'am Gemelli. Biyahe ni Gemelli. Guys, please check out her Facebook page and you will learn a lot from her, really. Thank you, ma'am. Sobrang bait mo. And sobrang hindi ka madamot to share your experiences, your knowledge. Diba? So, ano lang naman siya, guys? 6.5 na kasi ongoing pa time. So, magsa 7 times Philippine looper na si ma'am. Grabe, di ba? Tayo parang iniisip natin na parang gusto ko siyang gawin. Gusto kong planuhin na mag-Philippine loop. Siya, makaka 7 times na, guys. So, ganun siya katindi. So, shoutout sa'yo, ma'am. Thank you for, helping me. And sa mga advices mo. Salamat. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Saturday. Ngayon, May 14? Yeah, May 14. So yesterday bago sweldo yung mga tao. Nice! Alright, so ngayon pupunta tayo sa shop. Kasi we need to load the ELF oil na gagamitin natin sa ating Philippine loop. So on Thursday night, start na yung Philippine loop natin. So we're gonna take first the North Luzon loop, guys. So we're planning to take it within 3 days. Pero if hindi kakayanin, 4 days. Kasi of course, diba, it's not about just riding It's about exploring yung mga best destinations, tourist spots natin. So yun yung pinopromote ng Department of Tourism talaga, para makita natin yung true beauty ng ating country. So yun, guys. So samahan nyo ako today para ma-load natin yung ELF oil. Shout out ELF lubricants. And then we will provide, of course, our real world review. Grabe, guys, it's almost 3 in the afternoon pero napakainit. Shout out sa iyo, sir. Kung yun ang sports bike talaga. Alright guys, touchdown. So dito tayo sa shop. So waiting pa tayo kasi may mga ginagawa pa yung mga mechanics nila. So antay-antay lang tayo and then we'll take some video dun sa pag-load ng ELF oil natin. Alright. Start na yung oil change ng bike natin. So doon lang siya, I don't know why, pero I think less than 3,000 pa lang tinakbo prior doon sa last oil change natin. Good thing pinapalitan natin, diba? So check na rin yung brakes natin and then yung chain and then papareset tayo ng ECU para fresh lahat. guys, so we have successfully loaded the ELF lubricant. So nice. Whew. Sobrang dumi nung oil natin guys. Imagine, no? I think that was just less than 3,000 kilometers tinakbo, pero supposedly good for 5,000. Pero that's why talaga I don't have to max out yung limit ng oil It's better talaga na to change it ahead of time, just to prevent possible damages in your engine. Papalitan mo din naman, so rather do it ahead of time. And dahil ng traffic, what's wrong? Alright, so smooth yung engine natin guys, smooth. Although syempre hindi pa natin masasabi, hindi pa tayo tumatakbo ng sobrang haba. So, but for now, smooth siya. Uy, ganda ng bike ni Sir. Shoutout sa'yo, Sir. Pogi ng bike mo. Nice. Dito tayo guys. Royal Enfield. Ganda. So, mag-U-turn tayo dito. Anyway guys, so take off kami sa May 19 ng gabi guys. So that's Thursday. So kasama natin yung si Vaqueros. And 6 gear din yung sila. Kasali din sila doon. So kasama natin si Pops Alan, si Pops Dan, Pops Petrovic, and then si Kuya Bernie. So 5 kami guys na babanat ng North Luzon Loop. Wow! Ending my vlog na here. So thank you for tuning in. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe naman. Also please subscribe or what you call this, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Alright. Thank you guys. So thank you to all of our sponsors, to all of our friends. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Sana hindi kayo nag-away-away because of the most recent election. So pula or pink, kahit ano ka pa, at the end of the day, ikaw ang magtatrabaho para meron kang mambili ng bigas. Bye guys!